C5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, triple black, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 49,000 on this one is all. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front nose cone or fascia. Now it is black, it's been driven, it's going to have imperfections here or there, maybe somebody's touched up a little spot in the black, but does have a nice shine to it, does show well. Of course, LS1 5.7 liter power underneath there. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This vehicle will come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan on it, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, Goodyear radials, and as you can see, C6 chrome wheels have been upgraded on this one. Look down the passenger side. See, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches up on top of the door anywhere. And black interior also. Automatic with overdrive, paired up with that 5.7 liter. Electronic climate control. If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped, there's a picture of the window sticker with the still pictures. There's also the RPO code sticker, so you could look at exactly how this car is equipped. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Look at the reflection coming off that trunk lid to the ceiling. So you can see it does have a nice shine to it. See the reflection in it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. I mentioned triple black, so it does have the black cloth manual top, which is the manual tops on these. One person can put them up in a minute or less. Very simple, function easily. Take a look at the driver's side, also really free of much of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I noticed one little spot down here. You can see that. That actually looks like it might be just a little bit of splash that kicked up the last time we moved the car. As you can see, all the way to the front door in the reflection. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So you have a power seat on the driver's side. Of course, get rid of that door chime. Of course, your power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose stereo system. And then coming over to the seat, power seat driver's side. As you can see, the black or dark charcoal. AM/FM CD player on this one. Of course, tilt and cruise, driver's information center. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Look at those exact miles too. 49,663. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Stereo system working, and climate control, and that is dual climate control. Electronic dash looks good. Alright, let's slip around to the back seat and hear this run. Nothing too crazy over the top. Nice sounding exhaust. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, check out the engine bay, take a little closer look. Alright, the hood popped. Hood liner, nice and clean, doesn't look like this has been driven in inclement weather. Nice clean, tidy engine bay. Again, 5.7 liter power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Get a little bit of a chirp there. One of the techs says tensioner pulley in the future. Probably need a little bit of a tension. Kind of comes and goes. Consignor wanted to list it the way it is and reflect it in the price. So there you have it on that. Let's go ahead and pause this one last time. We're going to put the convertible top up and check the condition of that, and we'll be back. And here it is with the top up. So cloth, black top. Now, of course, these are manual. It just takes seconds for one person to put them up. The way they fold. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits also. Top's in nice shape. Haven't really noticed much wear on it at all. Rear glass window with rear defog. As you can see, no rips, tears, holes. Going to serve the purpose if you need to keep out of the rain or possibly out of the sun. It's going to do that job just fine. Get a nice tight fit up above the windshield. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, and you can call in and do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. Over 120 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Corvette. Black on black. Very nice looking Corvette. This is a convertible and the top is down. All our gauges do appear to be working. Factory radio is working well. Air conditioning is blowing cold. This is an automatic on the center console. Cruise control is functioning. Our oil pressure is 40 psi. Temperature about 180. Battery's charging at 14 volts and the fuel gauge is reading half. Factory tachometer is working. Very smooth riding Corvette. Comfortable leather bucket seats. Letting go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Brakes are very responsive and work well. Bose speakers in this Corvette. Corners excellently. Very good car for summer cruising. Check out all the pictures of this 1999 Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.